These vegetable betrayal story long videos are going insanely viral these days, and if you follow my exact workflow, your channel will not only get monetized, but you can also earn $4,000 per month, just like this channel. And the best part, with Google Flow's latest update, you can not only create scenes with 100% character consistency, but you can also maintain 100% environment and surrounding consistency with 100% voice consistency. For you, I have already created this video generation master prompt. Simply paste this prompt into Claude AI chat. As you can see, I am using the free plan only. Once you hit send, it will ask you to enter the language in which you want to create the video. My suggestion would be to create videos in Hindi, as this type of content is mostly consumed by Asian audiences. Next, it will generate 10 video ideas. Just enter the video topic idea number to proceed. Next, it will generate multiple scenes for a long 3 to 5 minute video in dialogue only style. You can see that each scene includes the scene number, scene duration, scene details describing what's happening, and the dialogue spoken by the characters. If you're satisfied, simply reply with yes to lock the script and generate the character prompts. Then it will generate detailed text to image prompts for creating all the character images. For each character, you will get the character name, file name, vegetable type, role in the story, personality, outfit, voice note, and finally a detailed text-to-image prompt. Simply copy the text-to-image prompt for the first character and visit flow.google. The link is provided in the description below. Open a new project, then in the left sidebar, you will see multiple options. Just go to the character option, paste the detailed text-to-image prompt for the first character here, choose your desired model, and in just a few seconds, it will create your first character. Next, go back to Claude AI and copy the file name for the first character, then replace untitled character with the copied file name. Now comes the most exciting part, voice consistency. You can now assign a voice to each character for 100% voice consistency. Simply preview all the voices and choose the one that suits your character best. You can repeat the exact same process to create all the characters and assign a suitable voice to each. As you can see, I have already generated all 5 characters. Next, reply with yes again, and this video generation engine will generate all the environment and surrounding prompts that we will use for environment consistency. With each prompt, it will tell you the environment name, file name, which scenes the environment appears in, time of day, key props, and a detailed text-to-image prompt for that environment and surroundings. Next, simply copy the text-to-image prompt for environment 1, then go to the scene option in the left sidebar. Just make sure the image option is selected with a 16:9 aspect ratio, then paste the copied prompt from the first environment, and within a few seconds, the image for environment 1 is ready. Next, go back to Claude AI, copy the file name, and rename the image file with the copied file name. Follow the exact same process to generate and rename all the environment and surrounding images. As you can see, I have generated and renamed all the environment and surrounding images. Next, go to Claude AI and reply with yes again. It will then generate text-to-image prompts for all the scenes. Each scene prompt comes with information like the characters present in the scene, the environment where the scene is set, and a detailed text-to-image prompt for that scene. You can see that in scene 1, 2 characters, Spuddy Hero and Carrie Love, are present, and this scene is set at the location Village Lane Morning. Now, simply go to Flow, then go to Scenes in the left sidebar. In the prompt box, type @ and select the first character image. Just make sure to select the one labeled as image, not as character, then add it to the prompt. Again, type @ select the second character image, also labeled as image, not as character, and add it to the prompt. Now let's go back to Claude AI to check which environment is to be used in the scene, then type add again, and this time select the environment image featured in this scene and add it to the prompt. Next, paste the scene. One text-to-image prompt, and within a few seconds, your scene 1 image will be ready. Then rename the scene image with its scene number. Simply follow the exact same process for all remaining scene images. Select all the characters to be featured, select the environment, then paste the scene text-to-image prompt. Once the scene image is ready, rename it. As you can see, I have generated and renamed the scene images for all the scenes. Now here's one important tip. If you want to reuse any prompt, simply hover over an existing generated image and use the reuse option. And if you want to replace any character or reference, just click on the file name and choose the image you want to replace it with. You can use these tips to speed up your work and productivity. Next, go to Claude AI one more time and reply with yes, generate image to video prompt. Now, if you want to change the video language at this step, you can do that too. If you want to generate the video in any language other than the already selected one, enter this prompt to convert the dialogue into your desired language. But for this example, we will go ahead with the already selected language, which is Hindi. So I'm removing this extra part of the prompt. Once you hit send, it will generate image to video prompts for all the scenes. Each prompt includes the scene image to be used, the video duration, and a detailed video prompt, including the dialogue. Simply copy the prompt for video scene 1, go to Google Flow, then select the video option. Also make sure the ingredients option is selected. To save credits, select VIO 3.1 Lite, then type @ and select the scene 1 image. Then type @ again and select the character speaking the dialogue in the scene. This time, make sure to select the one labeled as character, not the one labeled as image. This will help maintain voice consistency for the character across all scenes. Next, go to the next line, paste the scene 1 video prompt, and within a few seconds, your video clip for scene 1 is ready. You can preview the video and the dialogue in it. You can follow the exact same process for all remaining scenes. Copy the video prompt, select the scene image and the character speaking the dialogue, paste the prompt, and once the video is generated, download it. As you can see, I have generated all the video scenes and downloaded them to my system. Next, open your favorite video editor, import all the video clips, and drag them to the timeline in the correct sequence. Then do minor editing. Remove any unwanted parts from the video clips. Once done, we need to remove the watermark, so simply add a surface blur effect and extend it to the end of the timeline. Preview the video. As you can see, the watermark is no longer visible. Next, go to transitions and add a fade transition between the clips, setting the duration to 0.5 seconds or 15 frames. Do the same for all the required clips. Once everything is done, do a final preview before exporting. You will find the full 3-minute plus video link in the description below. Once satisfied, you can finally export it. Now, it's time to make it viral by publishing it with viral and SEO optimized metadata. Go back to Claude AI and reply with yes, but make sure to ask for the title and description in a combination of your selected language and English. In our case, the selected language is Hindi, so we are entering this prompt. It will then generate 3 title options, a viral and SEO optimized description, and the best tags for maximum reach. It will also provide a pinned comment suggestion as well as a detailed text-to-image prompt for generating a thumbnail. Just use this prompt in Google Flow and it will generate a high CTR thumbnail for you. Now, if you already have a channel ready for publishing these videos, you are good to go. Just publish the video and make it viral. But if you want to set up a channel from scratch, optimized for this type of content, then the next few seconds are just for you. I have created a well-crafted master prompt specifically for setting up a new channel optimized for this type of video. Just copy this prompt, go to Claude AI, open a new chat, and paste the complete master prompt. It will ask for the language of the video you're about to publish. Just enter it. Next, it will suggest some of the best channel names along with usernames. Simply copy the username, go to youtube.com/, paste the username, and hit enter. If you see a page saying this page is not available, that means the username is available and you can go ahead with it. Once you have finalized the channel name, reply with the number of the name you have chosen. It will then provide a viral yet SEO optimized channel description and channel tags. Reply with yes again, and it will provide a detailed text-to-image prompt for your profile picture. Just use this prompt to generate your profile picture using Google Flow. Reply with yes once more, and it will generate a detailed text-to-image prompt for your channel banner. Use that prompt to generate your channel banner in Google Flow. And there it is. If you watched until here, please support a small creator like me by hitting the like button and subscribing to this channel. Help me reach 100,000 subscribers. All the master prompts are provided in the description and pinned comment. And if you want to learn how to clone any YouTube channel, you cannot afford to miss the video above. See you inside that tutorial.